Serious American. Right.
Pick it up and put it on that trolley over there, up the other way, upside down. Yep. We'll bring it up over here. So what we're going to do, if you have a look at that bit on the router there, it's called a flush cutter or a trimmer. I'm going all the way over here. Have a look at this. Have a look at this bit here. See how it's got a bearing on it? Yep. Well, that's going to follow the cut. That's going to follow the CNC router's cut perfectly, and the cutters will trim that off perfectly. It's pretty cool stuff, really. Pretty easy. Huh?
How do you know which way to push it?
You can actually feel it. You can feel it because if it wants to run back on you, it's like it's not a very powerful machine, but if you go the other way, it wants to take off a bit. You can feel it. Rounders, man, aren't they awesome? I don't know what we did before we had rounders. You can hold that up.